20 unexplained mysteries that scientists can't explain. Our world is a strange and captivating place, full of wonders that challenge everything we think we know about the universe. Despite human advancements in science and technology, there are mysteries that remain stubbornly unsolved. Welcome to a world of intrigue, where the impossible isn't just possible, it's real. These are *20 unexplained mysteries that scientists can't explain*. Imagine this: a star, millions of light years away, which has been shining for eons, suddenly disappears. This isn't a star fading over time. It's completely gone, leaving no trace of a supernova explosion or black hole. In 2020, astronomers observed this very event and were left stunned. Could it be an unknown cosmic event, a flaw in our technology, or maybe something else at work? Mysterious bursts of radio waves originating billions of light years away continue to baffle astronomers. They're so powerful that each burst can emit as much energy in a millisecond as the sun does in a day. Yet they remain sporadic and unpredictable, making their source a mystery. Some theories suggest they are the result of collapsing stars, while others speculate they could be signals from alien civilizations. Are we hearing whispers from the farthest corners of the universe? In 2017, our solar system welcomed a peculiar visitor, an elongated object named Oumuamua. Unlike meteors or comets, it didn't leave behind a visible trail and moved in ways that defied physics as we know it. Was this just a bizarre rock from another star system, or could it have been an alien probe? Oumuamua left quickly and quietly, taking its secrets with it. Deep in the universe, there's a gravitational force so powerful that it's pulling galaxies, including ours, toward it at astonishing speeds. Scientists call it the Great Attractor, but what exactly is it? Hidden behind a dense zone of stars and dust, this mysterious celestial force has remained out of reach. Could it be a colossal black hole, or perhaps something we've never even imagined? Hidden deep in the Amazon rainforest is a river so hot it can boil animals alive. The temperature is far too high to be explained by geothermal activity, yet it continues to flow, steaming and scalding anything in its path. Local legends speak of its spiritual origins, but scientists are still searching for logical answers. Picture standing in the middle of a vast desert when suddenly the sand begins to sing. Under certain conditions, dunes release harmonic, almost musical tones, but scientists are still unsure what triggers this phenomenon. Is it friction, airflow, or is it, as ancient stories suggest, the voice of the desert itself? Residents of Taos, New Mexico, have long complained about a persistent, low-frequency hum buzzing through the air. The strange part? Only some people can hear it. Despite investigating possible causes like industrial noise or geological events, no definitive explanation has been found. Along the Brule River in Minnesota, there's a waterfall with a strange quirk. Water flows into a large hole known as the Devil's Kettle and completely vanishes. Scientists have tried pouring dye and other tracers through the hole to see where it leads, but the water never reappears. Where does it go? So far, no one knows for sure. In icy rivers around the world, nature forms these eerily perfect circles of spinning ice. While some attribute this to swirling water currents, the exact mechanisms are still debated. How does nature create something so flawless it looks man-made? Sailors have told stories of monstrous waves rising from calm seas, but for hundreds of years these tales were dismissed as folklore. Now, with modern technology, rogue waves, massive, unpredictable, and potentially deadly, have been confirmed. What causes such sudden oceanic chaos? Theories abound, but none are definitive. Why do certain animal species gather in large numbers to meet their demise? Mass bird deaths, whales beaching on shores, or even frogs taking over highways, these synchronized events remain incomprehensible. Do these creatures sense something we don't? Are they responding to strange environmental cues? The truth remains elusive. The Turritopsis dohrnii or immortal jellyfish, defies the natural aging process. When faced with stress or injury, this tiny creature reverts to its earlier life stages, essentially resetting its clock. How does it achieve what humans can only dream of? If scientists unlock its secrets, could this jellyfish hold the key to ending human aging? How do animals like monarch butterflies and sea turtles travel thousands of miles across oceans and continents with such remarkable precision? They seem to follow paths they've never physically traveled before. Are they being guided by magnetic fields, celestial cues, or something yet undiscovered? Certain ant species will sacrifice themselves in baffling displays of apparent suicide. Fire ant colonies, for instance, will create living rafts during floods, using certain ants as buoyant bases, even though it leads to their death. What triggers this extreme form of altruism among creatures considered so simple? During thunderstorms, witnesses have reported seeing glowing orbs of light that float, hover, and even pass through walls. Lasting only a few seconds, ball lightning is as mysterious as it is rare. Scientists struggle to replicate it in labs, leaving questions about its origin unanswered. Occasionally, reports emerge of people seemingly bursting into flames without an external ignition source. Skeptics suggest these cases are caused by overlooked factors, but those who've witnessed it firsthand describe it as truly spontaneous. Such claims walk a fine line between science and pseudoscience, leaving the phenomenon unexplained. All over the world, people have claimed to experience what they call time slips, brief moments where they witness events from the past or future and return to the present as if nothing happened. Is this a misfire of the human brain? Or do these accounts hint at cracks in the timeline? Dark matter and dark energy make up roughly 95% of the universe, yet we know little about them. We can't see or directly measure them, we only detect their effects. What are these invisible forces that hold galaxies together and influence the expansion of the universe? Science is still grasping at straws to understand them. From ancient batteries to the Antikythera mechanism, out-of-place artifacts, or OO parts, are objects that seem far too advanced for their time. Were these items created by forgotten ancient civilizations, or do they suggest some unknown chapters in human history? Mysterious lights have been seen dancing in remote areas like Norway's Hessdalen Valley and Marfa, Texas. These glowing orbs, often moving in erratic patterns, have defied explanations of natural gases or electrical phenomena. Are we witnessing otherworldly visitors or atmospheric anomalies we don't yet understand? In Death Valley's racetrack playa, rocks weighing hundreds of pounds have been found with long trails behind them, as if they've moved far across the desert floor all by themselves. Scientists speculate it could be caused by wind or ice, but no one has actually witnessed the stones in motion. Mysteries teach us to question what we think we know, to look closer, and to wonder if we've only scratched the surface of understanding our world. From the boiling rivers of Earth to the vanishing stars of deep space, these phenomena remind us that the universe is far stranger than we could ever imagine. Could these unsolved riddles hold the key to groundbreaking discoveries, or will they forever evade explanation? Now it's your turn to weigh in. Which of these mysteries captured your imagination the most? Do you have your own theories or explanations? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's unravel these enigmas together. After all, curiosity is the first step toward discovering the impossible.